Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now our next theorem is suppose that V is the direct sum of the two subspaces U and W. U1, U2 up to Um is a basis of the subspace U. W1, W2, Wn. This set is a subspace is a basis of the subspace W. Then the union of these two sets contains all the element of the set of the basis set of U, as well as the basis set of the W is the basis of U plus W, and the dimension of the vector space V is equal to the dimension of the subspace U plus the dimension of the subspace W, where the vector space V over the field F is a finite dimensional vector space. Proof. Since V is the direct sum of the subspaces U and W, then by definition U is the sum of the subspaces U and W, and there is no element common in the vector spaces U and W other than the zero vector, that is only the zero vector is common in the subspaces U and W. Since the set U1 up to Um is a basis of the subspace U of the vector space V over the field F, therefore this set generates the subspace U of the vector space V over the field F having M elements of the subspace U, that is the dimension of the subspace U is equal to F, and similarly the set containing the element W1, W2 up to Wn is the basis of the subspace W of the vector space V over the field F, which generate the subspace W according to the definition of the basis, that is this set generate the subspace W of the vector space V over the field F contains n vectors, that is dimension of W is equal to n. Now for an element arbitrary element V of the vector space V over the field F, the element V can be written as a linear as a sum of two elements U and W of the vector space of the subspaces U and W of the vector space V over the field F, that is U is an element of the subspace U and W is an element of the subspace W of the vector space V over the field F according to the condition of the sum of two subspaces. Now the union of these two generating sets, the generating set of U and W is a set consists of all element of the generating set of U, the subspace U, and the generating set of the subspace W. There is A1, U1, U2 up to Um, and W1, W2 up to Wn. This resultant set is a spanning set of the sum of the subspaces U and W. That is, this set is a generating set of U and this set is a generating set of W. Therefore, the union of these two sets is a set which is a generating set of the sum of these two subspaces of the vector space V over the field F by a theorem which states that if the set containing the element x1 up to xq is a basis of the subspace T of the vector space V over the field F, and the y1 the set containing the element y1 y2 up to yj is a basis of the subspace S of the vector space V over the field F, then the union of these two sets contain the element x1 x2 xq y1 y2 up to yj, all the element of this set and this set is the basis of the sum of the subspaces S plus T of the vector space V over the field F, where the set S and the set T are the subspaces of the vector space V over the field F. To check that is this set is a spanning set of U plus W. Now to check this set is a linearly independent set N U plus W. suppose that a1, the linear combination of these element is equal to 0, implies we can rearrange. We have a1 u1 plus a2 u2 plus up to so on plus am um is equal to minus b1 w1 minus b2 w2 minus up to so on minus bn wn. Now the elements on the left hand side are the element of the basis vector of this are the element of the basis of this set subspace u of the vector space v over the field f, and this resultant element is an element of u, and the elements on the right hand side w1 w2 wm are the element of the basis of the subspace w of the vector space over of v over the field f. Therefore the linear combination of these element is an element of the subspace w of the vector space v over the field f. That is, this resultant element is an element of the subspace u, and this resultant element is an element of the subspace w of the vector space v over the field f. And by the condition of the equality between these two elements, this resultant element which is an element of u and this resultant element which is an element of w are equal. But in hypothesis, the equal element in u and w is only the zero element. Therefore, by this condition, this resultant element, according to the condition of equality, this resultant element must be equal to 0 and this resultant element must be equal to 0, because there is only 0 vector is common in both the subspaces u and w. Since the set u1 u2 um according to this condition and the set w1 w2 up to wn according to this condition are linearly independent set in u and in w. This is a linearly independent set in the subspace u, and this is a linearly independent set in the subspace w according to the condition of the basis, by definition of the basis. Therefore in the linear combination, the scalars a1 a2 up to am is equal to 0, and w1 w2 up to wn is also linearly independent. Therefore in the scalar b1 b2 up to bn must be equal to 0. This linear combination, the condition of this linear combination is equal to 0 is satisfied only when each scalar is equal to 0. Hence, u1, u2, um, and w1, w2, wn are the elements of this set, and we can decide that this set is linearly independent according to the this condition. This is a linearly independent set in the sum of the subspaces u and w, and is therefore is called a basis for the subspace u plus w. Therefore the dimension that is the in the basis of u plus w, there are m plus n vectors of u plus w. That is, dimension of u plus w is equal to m plus n. As dimension of u is equal to m and dimension of w is equal to n, and the dimension of u intersection w is equal to 0, because there is only 0 vector is common in both the subspaces u and w. There dimension of u plus w is equal to dimension of the vector space v, as the vector space v is equal to the sum of the subspaces u and w. Therefore equation number a implies that dimension of u plus w is equal to dimension of v. Substitute dimension of v here is equal to dimension of m is equal to dimension of the subspace u plus n is the dimension of w, which is our required result.